Hey guys, so this is a Ipsy glam bag unboxing. I already opened it, so kind of excited to see what's in here. Okay, so I got the 111 Y Theorem Day Cream NACY2 Cream de jour. That's cool. So this is what I got. That's awesome. 111 is literally really expensive, but I literally did not get a whole lot of product in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Isn't that insane? Oh god. But another day cream. It's awesome. I do use day cream every once in a while. Actually, isn't this a day? Oh, yeah, it's just a day cream. So after cleansing and toning your skin, you're supposed to put some day cream on. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so here's another product I got. Probably just use this for a highlight. This is actually really cute. This is a Farrah brush. It is a really pretty brush. I like it. I'll probably just use it for a highlight. Really nice handle, but yeah, like highlight, way to go. Put that in my brush collection, man. All right. Ooh, oh, these are my add-ons. I'm excited. So I've never tried the Huda Beauty lips. How do you even get it out? I don't even know. Oh, there's tape. That's why. So this is Boy Collector. It's a weird name for a lipstick, but it is. Oh, whoops! If I drop it, this is a red lip. So pretty. Oh wow, that is a really red lip. Let me do a swatch. Oh my god, look at that. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Let's try it. Ooh, it smells really good actually, like a vanilla. I do not wear a lot of red lips, but I honestly picked it out as my add-on because it was there and I was like, Huda Beauty? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Huh. I usually wear like a lot of neutrally lips. All right, cool. I'll have to try that again, like at another time or something. I don't know. Like, I don't know. But I'm excited. My first Huda Beauty lip. Actually, no, not really. Not my first, but whatever. Alright, so this is the Tulas Probiotic Skincare. It is a rose gold. Let's get it in cooling and brightening eye balm. I have always been seriously wanting to try this. Doesn't smell like anything, but I like literally wanted to try this for such a freaking long time, and I finally got it on add-ons because one, I did not want to pay like an outrageous amount of money for that stick, and if I don't like it, then obviously I just like wasted $12 instead of like however much it costs. So this is what the bag looks like. Obviously you guys have already seen the products that I just got out. Here is the card. The thing is called Stronger Together. And the 111 skin was actually as a gift because I canceled, and then a little later I came back because honestly Ipsy kind of screwed me over. Not gonna talk about that though. But I got that as a welcome back, I guess. Alright, so the first thing I got is a chapstick, which or lip balm. It's clearly Balanced Days. It's the lip balm and peppermint. This is a full size, $8. I would not pay a lip balm for $8, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, I would not pay $8 for that. Nope. Oh, and that Farrah brush, it is also a full size. It's $14. $14. Alright, so here is the Element Beauty eyeshadow. This is a deluxe sample, but the full size is $42. So this is what it looks like. It is like a purpley color, and they're both like really shimmer. Oh my gosh, they're powdery as all get out, people. Oh my word. Oh my word. But they are really pretty. This first shade right here is actually really nice. I like this one, but it is also very powdery. This one right here, it barely even swatched that nicely, but it is, I don't know. I'll give them a try. This is the Element Beauty eyeshadow duo in Ariel and Luna. I don't know which one is which, but you know, whatever. Alright, so the next thing, I have been wanting to try this. This is the Benefit Their Real Magnet mascara. I have been wanting to try this, but I honestly, like I said before, I did not want to pay the money for it. But it is a deluxe sample. The sample, or the full size, is $27. I did not want to pay $27 for a mascara, but this is what it looks like, the deluxe sample, and yeah, I'll probably try that on very soon. I'll be doing a try on with a bunch of products like sometime real soon. Alright, so the last thing, this is Milk Makeup. It is a deluxe sample. It is $28. This is a lip cheek in work. This is the color. Oh, okay, so that's a really pretty shade. It's like a mauve-y color. It smells good. It smells good. I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna try it as a cheek. I'm not a big fan of like the cream cheek powder, cheek stuff, but I will definitely give it a try. I hope you guys like this video. I know it was a really short unboxing. I'm not going to try anything on right now, but the Huda Beauty red lip is actually really nice. I enjoy it. It's really nice. Still really creamy, and I think it's a good product. I mean, it's not that bad. So yeah. Let me know if you guys have any questions. This is what it still looks like, and it does have transfer. So, I mean, not much you can do about that. Alright, and I'm gonna check on dinner real quick, and then depending if it's done or not, probably it's not, I will do my Lunar Beauty unboxing, and depending on the time and if I can, I may try to do a skincare video, which will be a non-pharmacy skincare. So let me know if you guys have any questions on these products. Please make sure that you guys comment on this video for the products that I just shown you guys. Let's see what else. And I hope you all have a good day or good night, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.